back to the fishing video. Real quick, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, giving back to you guys for killing that last video. We had 100 views in 2 days. They're not Mr. Beast numbers, but hey, they're numbers, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. In order to enter the giveaway, let's try to make it to 35 subscribers. Once we do reach that goal, then I'll do that giveaway. But in order to enter, two things: share the video, like, and then just comment just either your name. I am going to start a Instagram page for the fishing channel, and I'll put it in the description down below and in the video, in order that way you guys are able to follow the page if you guys would like. Okay, so let's get right into the video, baby. Let's go.
Welcome back to another fishing video. I could be a little bit louder. I kind of started this, but then there was a guy on a boat. We are in, put this over there where my box is at. Where are we? Los Baños Creek Reservoir. Yes, sir. Was my first time here. We'll see how it goes. The trout pole set up here. Some power bait. Oh, I got a tripod. Hey, sheesh. Trout pole right here. I don't know if you're able to see. Trout pole. I got power bait on it. We'll see how it goes. I got some worms just in case, but we'll see how it goes. You guys killed the last video. I appreciate that very much. I think I should make more videos without catching. What do you guys think? Gets me more views or more subs. Shout out to the new subs too. Shout out to you guys. And you know, with all that being said, I had to get, well, my girlfriend, shout out to my girl, she got me the tripod. Wait for it. Wait for it. Nothing. If we get to 35 subs in the next month, which is, we're 4 off, I'll do a giveaway. 35, a crazy number, but we're 4 subs off, so just share it, and just have people subscribe, like the video. Again, man, you guys just smashed that last video. That was wild. That was great. Here we go. Here we go. I wonder what it is. Oh, it's a fat trout. You gotta flip him. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Not my new boots. Yes, thank you. Gracias. I got blood all over myself. My sweater. It's all good though. Hey. Yes, sir. You're out here, catch a fish, you catch 2, you throw them back, you keep, well, I throw my bass back. I don't keep bass. And if you do, it's up to you. Nothing but vibes, you know? And I can't, again, shout out to you guys to the new subscribers, to the OG subscribers. It's been, it's for sure it's been a while, man. I wanted to get back. I mean, if it wasn't for my girl who got me the tripod, you guys would probably been on the ground, like, honestly. Oh, crap. What the? Look at this bend. Ah! Keep it tight. Let's go. Don't jump, don't jump. This is a bass. This is a bass. This is a fat bat. Ah! PB, look at the belly on this mofo. Or, sorry, excuse my language. Look at this belly. Fat one. Holy crap. What? 3, 2? I'll lower it down. 2.5. 2. Let's see if I have a. I might have one here. As a matter of fact. Oh, perfect. Let's hope it works though. It does not. Crap. Look at this. Better angle. Okay, release. We don't keep bass. At least I don't. If you do, I'm not gonna say you're weird, but you ready? You ready to go? What? Let's go. Let's go on. Come on. Let's go. Beautiful release. Sheesh. That deserves a sub. Come on. Alright, you guys. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video. I still gotta pick up. Look at this mess. That. Got that. That's the tripod. I got my stuff back there. I got my box right here, I guess you could say. Got all this. Still have one more box somewhere right here, and a spot here. No, I can't put this camera. I gotta get right here. So I gotta walk the whole thing back and then get there. I don't know, it's probably like a 10-minute walk, but like I said, it is what it is, you know. 35 subscribers, then we'll do the giveaway. It's gonna be a mystery tackle box. I don't know what it is. It's a mystery. So if you want that, just make sure you like, comment, and just share the video. Share this video. Let's see how many shares. You guys killed it last time. I didn't catch anything. 100 views in 2 days. That's crazy. Caught 2 fish. Maybe 200 views in 2 days. Anyways, I'll let you guys go. Take it easy. Anything else I want to say? You guys are great. Appreciate every single one of you guys. Alright? Old subscribers, new subscribers, every single one of you guys. See you next time, and you already know, fish on, baby.